there and welcome. Today we are going to find the Andromeda galaxy, also known by its less colorful name as M31. Sounds like a gun, but it's not. If we're from a dark sky site, we might be able to see it with our eye, and if not, we'll be able to use binoculars or a telescope to see it. So I'll show you how to do that, and we'll use a chart and we'll figure it all out. Now when you see it, especially if it's for the first time, it's kind of a letdown, honestly. You'd be like, huh, just looks like a little smudge. It looks like the telescope's broken, actually. But when you understand what you're looking at, it becomes stupendously beautiful. And why this is, well, one, it's a trillion stars that we're looking at. And two, it's really, really far away. And when something is really far, whoops, there's a car. When something's really far away, we're actually looking back in time. Now this sounds kind of weird, but how this works is, let's say, freaking out the neighbors. Let's say I looked at the sun. The light I'm seeing from the sun has traveled about 93 million miles to get to my eye, to leave a spot. You can see it everywhere. And it's taken about 8 minutes to get there. Oh, the light I'm seeing is actually 8 minutes old. So if the sun blew up, it would take me 8 minutes to realize it. You're like, hey, something's wrong. Something could be terribly wrong. We wouldn't be having this conversation. The closest star besides our sun is about 4 light years away, closest big star. So if that blew up, it would take us about 4 years to realize that. So the closest galaxy, well, we have to go way out there. The closest major spiral galaxy is the Andromeda galaxy, is actually coming towards us and is eventually going to collide with us. And that is 2.5 million light years away. So in other words, we'd have to go back to World War II, and then World War I, and then to the stories that your aunt always tells at Thanksgiving, and then Columbus, and then Jesus, and then the pyramids, and then domesticating sheep, and then before there were people themselves, before they discovered fire, and that's when that photon started out. 1.4 times 10 to the 19th miles away. It was a really, really long distance, and it started out from one of those trillion stars, and it's hitting your eye, and it looks like your telescope is broken. Now it's pretty cool, right? Let's see how to find it. So time to find the Andromeda galaxy with charts. So if we look over at our evening sky map from skymaps.com, we see the Great Square of Pegasus coming up in the east. Summer triangles overhead. This would be for October, but it's visible through a good bit of the year. And we're going to go off the upper leftmost corner of the square right here. And coming off the left side here, this is the constellation of Andromeda. And we're going to go 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars will be the end right there. So we're going to get the second star. Sometimes if the moon is up or if you have some light pollution, this first star up the square can be a little harder to see. Just make sure you don't go too far right there. And then you're going to go up 2, 1, 2. There's a faint star here. If you aim your binoculars right in this area, you should see a little hazy cloud. A really detailed chart view on the paper. This is the Sky Atlas 2000. This is going to be the top left star of the Great Square of Pegasus. And then we're getting into Andromeda right here. There's Mirach, I think I'm probably mispronouncing that, and Almach, also mispronouncing that. But hey, it's all good. That's a really nice double star if you got a telescope. And this one also has a little galaxy right near it. I don't know, you could probably try it on a 3-inch scope, but you can definitely see it in an 8-inch. Now, we got 1 star up, 2 stars up, and then just offshore of that star, we're going to have a little blur, which is M31 of the Andromeda galaxy. And then if you're looking through a telescope, there's actually 2 companion galaxies you can see right there. And if you're looking from a really dark site, again, the moon should not be out if you're trying to see it with the unaided eye. You'll see a little fuzz there. And that is M31, or the Andromeda galaxy. Awesome stuff. Binoculars are some of the best views you can have of it, because even with a really fancy telescope, sometimes the field of view is a little too narrow. So binoculars are great. Again, these are my $24 10 by 50s I got off Amazon Sky Genius, so you can really get into this for pretty cheap. Again, if you just want to look up, that's cool too. So, have fun. Let me know what you think.